To order a new card from Bank of America, start by gathering the necessary information, including your account number, social security number, and a valid form of identification. Next, visit the Bank of America website and sign in to your online account. If you do not have an online account, you can enroll by clicking on the Enroll button and following the prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Services or Customer Service section, where you will find the option to order a new card. Select the type of card you need to replace, such as a debit or credit card, and choose the reason for the replacement. You can choose from options such as lost, stolen, or damaged card. You will then be prompted to review and confirm your shipping address, ensuring that it is correct and up to date. If your address is incorrect, you can update it at this time. After confirming your address, you can select the shipping method, which may include expedited shipping for an additional fee. Once you have completed the ordering process, you will receive a confirmation message and an email with the details of your order. Your new card will arrive within 7 to 10 business days, depending on the shipping method you selected. If you need to use your account before your new card arrives, you can use the Bank of America mobile banking app to access your account and make transactions. It is also important to note that if your card was lost or stolen, you should contact Bank of America customer service immediately to report the incident and request a new card. They will guide you through the process and help you to protect your account from any potential fraud. In addition, you can also order a new card by visiting a Bank of America branch or by calling their customer service number. The customer service representative will assist you with the process and answer any questions you may have. Overall, ordering a new card from Bank of America is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by phone, or in person.